Hey, what's going on, people? My name's Tanner, and welcome to Crypto Bible. Guys, yeah, just had a little bit of a shock from a bank, a text basically. I'm not with Barclays. You've probably seen by the title. I'm not with Barclays, but I've been getting a lot of people messaging me saying that they have just received a text message from Barclays themselves, kind of like explaining what's going on in regards to Binance. And slowly things are starting to kind of unfold, which are starting to make a little bit of sense to us. um it's not great news. However, it's something because it's just kind of giving us a little bit more confirmation of us to actually be a little bit wary of what's going on. Now, look, before I actually show you what the text says, I'm sure a lot of you have seen it, if a lot of you are with Barclays. However, I just wanted to let you guys know that in regards to these texts that we're getting with from these banks, a lot of it is to do with like money laundering and crypto scams because they've been getting a lot of complaints. We saw that from an article from TSB not long ago. The same with Monzo, the same with Starling as well. Okay, so it's kind of going along the track through these other banks, and the main reason for them not allowing their customers to deposit money onto exchanges such as Binance was mainly because of crypto scams and money laundering and everything else. However, in this case, it is a little bit different because they actually mention it in their text message. So this is what you would have got if you had received the message. So this is literally a screenshot from a friend of mine who sent it to me. As you've made a payment to Binance this year, we wanted to let you know that we're stopping payments made by credit or debit card to them until further notice. This is to help keep your money safe. For further information, please search FCA Binance online. We're sorry for any disruption this may cause you, your Barclays team. So I'm gonna leave that on the screen there if you guys want to kind of just pause it and read it again for yourself. But yeah, I mean, what we've obviously seen here, right, is the fact that they have mentioned the FCA. Please search FCA Binance online. Now, a few days ago, when we were obviously talking about Binance being banned in the UK, we were speaking about it because, in fact, let me make that like that, because the FCA obviously got involved and they put the warnings out there. And another thing that we saw was obviously the SEC in Thailand coming after Binance as well for not replying to their regulation rules as well. And it's kind of past the time. Now, obviously, the FCA issued a warning last week regarding the ban in Binance. And we wanted to see whether or not Binance would come out and give some kind of reply, see if they're going to start complying with them. We haven't had any update whatsoever from Binance, which is so frustrating. But at this moment in time now, we are starting to see a little like domino effect of banks slowly coming out and kind of admitting that they're not going to be allowing deposits anymore. And this is literally nothing to do with the faster payments anymore. Barclays aren't even allowing regular debit card deposits into Binance. So there you go. We haven't seen this happen with other exchanges such as Kraken, Coinbase. All of these are still fine to use, but with Binance themselves, faster payments are still obviously down for everyone in the UK. Bank deposits, like the debit card deposits, they're still up. You can still deposit using your bank card. Obviously, you have to pay the fee, but Barclays have now stopped everything. They have stopped absolutely everything. So again, there, I'll read it again. As you made a payment to Binance this year, wanted to let you know that we're stopping payments made by credit or debit card to them until further notice. And obviously, please search FCA Binance online. Sorry for any disruptions may cause. So yeah, FCA is involved. They've clearly seen this on top of all of the crypto scams and the money laundering. We're now getting these regulations come out. What are Binance doing, man? What are they doing? Seriously, it's been over a week now and we have not been updated about anything. We're having to wait for our banks to come out and tell us things like this. Why are we having to wait for when am I going to start getting a text message from my bank to let me know that I can't deposit onto there anymore either? At this point in time, again, if Binance was to be banned in the UK, and they move to like a Binance UK version, we don't know what's going to happen. Of course, they will let us know that. They have to let us know that your crypto is not going to completely disappear. They will, of course, give us some kind of time limit. But at this moment in time, my crypto is on Trust Wallet. It has to be on Trust Wallet. I'm not keeping my money on Binance because you just never know. You just never know. I would rather be safe than sorry. And, even though a lot of my crypto was already on Trust Wallet before all of this came out, it's definitely on Trust Wallet now. So I recommend you guys do the same. Link in the description on a tutorial on how to use Trust Wallet if you don't know how to do it. So that link's in the description if you want to watch that to make sure you are keeping yourself safe as well. Let me know if you guys are getting any other updates from your bank. I'm with Metro. They're like my main, and I haven't had anything from them. I was with Monzo, they stopped me. I can't. That was actually like in May though, they stopped me. So if that's linked, I don't know. I doubt it. However, Barclays, obviously the first major bank coming out and letting us know that, yeah, stopping all types of deposits into Binance. And they are literally telling people to search FCA Binance online, letting us know that, cool, this is outside of money laundering. This is outside of crypto scams. This is the FCA getting involved now because Binance is not sticking to the regulation rules that they should be doing. As I mentioned in my video this morning, Binance does not have a headquarters. They do not have a headquarters. So where are Binance? Where are they based? When are they going to start putting things in place in order to make sure that their customers feel safe? Because it has been over a week now. And obviously, I keep getting a lot of messages. Let me turn off the screen. I keep getting a lot of messages from people asking for updates. And as I said, I'm always trying to, find. As soon as I got this message from my friend, I started doing a video because I need to keep you guys updated on it. However, it does seem, I don't know if you guys have realized, it does seem like every single day, the news is getting more serious, like more and more serious. And it's not just in England either. We saw Thailand, Germany, Canada. It is coming out from all over the place. Someone did mention earlier, someone I was speaking to, is this all FUD? Is this all the media manipulating the retail investors to make sure they sell? I cannot comment on that no longer. If Barclays are now messaging their customers saying that they are stopping people from depositing into Binance, letting them know to start researching FCA Binance online, how can we start calling this FUD unless this is the biggest game that has ever happened in crypto, especially to the people in the UK? But, better safe than sorry, guys. Make sure you are keeping your crypto safe on something like Trust Wallet, Atomic Wallet, whatever it may be. Okay, keep your stuff safe. Links are in the description below. And yeah, guys, please be sure to join my Discord group as well, because we're all getting involved in there. All of us are keeping up to date with all the news and everything else. And again, any questions or video ideas you guys have, you can post it in there. So that's also in the link in the description below to my Discord. You just got to click it and you can join. Otherwise, guys, look, I'll try to keep you updated for as long and as possible, because yeah, every time I'm getting, news coming out left, right, and center now, and it seems to just be progressively getting worse and worse. So keep you updated as much as I can. And if you guys know anything or see anything, don't be afraid to comment it down below. I look at your comments. I see everything. Okay, I see everything, and I'm trying to keep up to date with everything as well. And seeing if someone's actually mentioning a certain story that's coming out that I could look into. So yeah, please be sure to update me on that. But that is the news at the moment, guys. Barclays have stopped all deposits, whether it's faster payments or debit card, onto Binance. I'll keep you guys posted if I see anything else. In the meantime, please like, subscribe, make sure that bell icon is hit so you are keeping up to date with all the videos that I am posting, and be sure to follow all the socials and join the Discord, link in the description below. I'll see you.